channel. This is Beauty on the Go with Sherese. So today I'm going to show you guys how to put in clip-ins. So now these clip-ins, I'm going to show you how to put it in, like have a middle part, right? Because some people, after they get to the top, they run out. They don't know what to do or how to navigate the middle part. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it so that way you can do it. So make sure you like and subscribe so that way you can get more great videos. Beauty on the Go with Sherese. Let's go. This is clip-in number 1. This is clip-in 2. This is clip-in 3. And this is clip-in 4. This is my braid pattern. So I have the sides out. I have the back braided in big braids. They don't have to be perfect. And I also have hair left out for the middle. So I'm just going to clip that and put that to the side. So I'm going to start out with clip 4. I'm going to put that at the top of my hair so that way the top can be done. Just in case I run out, I can always pull from the bottom and add to the top. So I'm just going to clip that right on my hair just like this. I'm going to use clip number 1. I'm just going to stick it right there, just like that. So now I'm going to gather up all my hair and move it to the top and clip it in place just to get it out the way. And then afterwards, I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. So for the bottom, we're going to start with clip number 3. And we're going to put it right at the nape area of my hair. Just like this. We stick it right in the braid and then clip it in. Now that I have all the clips in, now I'm just going to take the top down. So I'm just going to brush it through just like this. This hair is beautiful. It's in color 1B and it's a 14-inch. And I had 2 packs. 2 packs will usually do your whole head. So I'm just going to part it down the middle just like that. Just equally distribute my hair so that way it can blend. So I'm going to apply some edge booster. I'm going to put that on top of my hair so that way my hair can blend right along with the hair. It's like a hair wax and it works perfect. No, I can't forget the Echo Gel. So here it is. We got to swoop these edges just like this. Here's some hair oil and I'm just going to put it through all out my hair just like this. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It looks just like it can be my own hair. So now for the second look. I'm just going to take a piece of it and I'm just going to twist it up. And I'm going to pull it back and I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. And I'll do that on both sides. This is a quick and simple, easy look that anybody can do at any given moment. Watch me work.